Ever wonder how your phone knows what you're going to type next? Or how Google gives you search results before you even finish typing your query? This, my friends, is the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's a technology that equips machines with the capability to mimic human intelligence. And no, it's not just about high-tech robots or fancy sci-fi stuff. AI is an umbrella term that encompasses a variety of technologies. Think machine learning, where computers learn from experience, improving their performance as they gobble up more and more data. Consider natural language processing, the tech that enables your virtual assistant to understand and respond to your commands. Or how about computer vision, the technology that allows your smartphone camera to recognize faces? In essence, AI is everywhere, subtly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. So you're interacting with AI more often than you think. It's in your phone, your car, even your fridge. Now, you might be wondering, how does AI actually affect my daily life? Well, let's take a moment to explore that. AI is everywhere, often operating in ways we don't even notice. Take your smartphone, for instance. The personal assistant inside it, be it Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa, is a form of AI. They schedule your meetings, set your alarms, and even tell you jokes when you're bored. Then, there are recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Amazon. Ever wonder how Netflix always seems to know what you'd like to watch next? That's AI working its magic. It analyzes your preferences and viewing habits to suggest content you might enjoy. And how about self-driving cars? They're no longer a thing of science fiction. AI technology in these vehicles navigates the road, making decisions in real time to get you to your destination safely. From making your morning coffee to driving you home at night, AI is there, working behind the scenes to make your life easier. But the influence of AI doesn't stop at convenience. It's changing the way we live and work. Imagine a world where data isn't just numbers and figures, but a source of insight and foresight. That's what AI is doing. It's transforming data analysis, making it possible to predict trends, understand consumer behavior, and drive business strategies. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment. It's helping doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately, and it's enabling personalized medicine, tailored to each individual's unique genetic makeup. And let's not forget about the environment. AI is being used to tackle climate change, from predicting weather patterns to optimizing renewable energy use. It's helping us build a more sustainable future. AI is also opening up new opportunities. It's sparking innovation, creating jobs, and driving economic growth. It's helping us solve complex problems, and it's making our lives easier and more efficient. It's clear that AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's a present reality shaping our lives in ways we might not even realize.